Little fella, yeah. Number one, yeah?
Number one, pretty.
There we go.
Thank you, fish. Hey! Did you take my name? Nice. Okay. Let you go, baby. Pretty. Okay, we're another stretch of the Dunajec.
Now we're talking, yeah. Yeah, that's a good one. Break it open, yeah?
It's okay.
That was a lovely jump, though.
Yes.
Hear me again.
Yeah? Yes. Come here. Woohoo!
You wanted to jump out, right? We still wait for the better one.
Woo!
I'm gonna check the stone how it's going.
Okay. Now, you wanted to bring here?
Don't let him go down there. Keep him in this slow water here, yeah?
How are we gonna net him? Go. Okay.
You must keep him going, yeah?
Yay! Nice. About the same size.
All the same size, yeah?
Yeah.
Release or photo in the net?
Ah, we can release. Baby. Oh! Jumped out of my hands. You're right. I guess maybe I'm feeling the rod from the other nymph. Yeah?
I have no idea. I think some of them, they were bites anyway, yeah?
So it's holding down.
Looks like a good fish.
Yeah. Oh. Doesn't want to come out yet. Come here, baby.
Very similar. I
About
thought
the
it's
same size. I thought it was bigger.
I thought it was bigger.
You can release it for me. Uh-oh, it's bleeding. Okay.
Better.
Really?
Watch out, that's a better one, yeah?
It looked like a smaller one to
I
me.
don't know, I think it's better. We'll see. Anyway, it's already worth to come here, yeah?
Yeah. It's fun. Uh-oh, want to go down there? Trying to keep him in here. Yeah, it's a better fish. Slightly.
Yeah, a bit better.
Yep. It's fatter.
Photo with it?
Bigger.
That's too early, man, long time, man.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
See? They like big streamers.
They do.
No,
Oh, just came out.
Nice fish.
Oh, that's all right.
I was hungry.
That's a thick fish, and it's one of these really gold-colored ones that I love. Look at those spots. Come on, baby. Yep, we saw it's a big fish there, just somewhere in here is rising.
Well, I saw it. No. There we go.
You saw the take.
Yeah. Nice fish.
Yeah,
You gotta come out?
I think so. It's not as big as I thought it was.
What a nice fish. No, dry fly. Counts twice, yeah?
Got it? Yes!
Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Nice fat fish.
On this SCSS single hand.
Smaller than the other, but it's a nice
I think it might not be the same fish.
Might be another one.
There's a big one there, I
You're
think.
gonna get it then. There it is.
Let's see. Oh, nice. Fat. Thank you, baby.
Come on.
Yeah, we'll just let it go. Thanks. Well, he took your fly.
Yep. Is that a wet fly fishing?
Well, it could be.
Don't stop. Is that the one you saw?
I don't know. It's pretty good sized. No, this is a smaller one.
Anyway, a fish.
Hey, that's fun. Are we?
As long as we're catching them, it's fun,
Yeah. On dry fly, what more do I want, right?
Nice fat
Yay! Thank you, baby. All right, Wojtek. Is this bigger?
I'll see you later.
No.
Chub.
It's a chub.
Trout.
Wow, he ate my
Look at
dry
that.
fly?
That's a chub.
Huh. Interesting. He liked my stimulator. Oh, hi, Chubby.
Chubby boy.
Thanks for eating it.
Bye-bye.
Bye. That was cool.
Nice.
All right. What am I going to do?
Strip it in.
Yeah.
Fast. You don't want to give them a slack.
Okay.
If they get a slack, most of the time they don't hit them.
I don't think this.
He was waiting there, yeah?
I don't think that was the big one. This is just a small guy. It's a different fish.
Quite a nice fish.
What is it?
A trout.
Oh, another chub?
Trout.
Oh, a trout.
Yeah, that one would not, look. That one would not come off the hook. Look. Look.
Ah,
Perfectly. Kick.
all right. That's pretty. Got one. I think I had a hit while I was pulling line. Okay, yes. Is it a chub?
Trouty.
What is a trout?
Look.
Man, it's not that big.
They smashed that streamer, yeah?
It smashed it, that's for sure.
Hmm?
Oh wow. Such a small thing.